Bokajan Railway Police had on Wednesday arrested 2 drug dealers and seized large amount of contraband worth several lakhs. Acting upon information received from its sources, the Bokajan Railway Police carried out a search operation. While carrying out search of the passengers boarding in the Jana Shatabdi train coming from Guwahati to Furkating, they recovered 14 soap boxes containing approximately 1.53 gram of brown sugar. Police say that the market value of the recovered drugs would be around 75 lakhs. In this connection, 2 persons identified as Mary Achumi and James Achumi of Dimapur, Nagaland have been arrested. The accused informed that they were taking the substance to Jorhat. An FIR was registered against the arrested persons and were taken into custody by Bokajan Railway Police under further investigation. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbianglong Live.